Hello, this is Dreamworld, and it's on the Gold Coast, a really nice place. Right now, let's have a look at the Central Park station with the train in the station at the moment for Dreamworld. CR Clapton and Company. Nice little ride round the area. My friends are going a bit fast for me as I carry on along here. My friend's waving at me and my son turning around and his girlfriend. They're all enjoying themselves. We just arrived here on this Sunday. Quite a few people around as per usual.
Yeah, when you stop. Oh yeah.
It's a very large place here on the Gold Coast of Dreamworld. Coming up to Wiggles World now. So many things to here.
Did you get him?
Yes, I've got him.
Good. You want to do the wiggle movement?
Do the wiggle. Do it. You realise this is going on YouTube, don't you? Because I do that.
Going too fast, just call us back, alright?
Yeah, you can let the others go.
Got the phone to catch up anyway.
Yeah, I know, that's right, yeah.
You know your son's birthday?
I can't remember. Do you know? I better find out because I can never remember. Would you believe?
She didn't bring it. I've only brought $100 in here and I've got to get money out.
Yeah, okay.
But you can bring him anyway. Have you looked
Yeah.
at all these numbers?
We look around here. It's a Dreamworld.